Everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my blog. It's me again, Espinay Blog. For today's blog, uh, this is our Filipino delicacy from the Philippines. So this is Obi Hopia. Obi Hopia. Hope you like it. This is Obi Hopia, made with purple yam. Purple yam. And is yummy and delicious. Hope you like it. Is Micah James brand. Bake Shop Service Inc. From the Philippines. Express from the Philippines. And this is the Micah James Bake Shop Service also Inc. Special Hopia Baboy also. It means made with scallion. Is delicacy also. This is the famous delicacy in the Philippines. And only in Ilocos region is Ilocano style. So you can buy this from the Philippines to bring it back here for your pasalubong. Yummy, yummy, and delicious. So enjoy, everyone. God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. I miss you guys, and this is our third day back from the Philippines. And thanks God we're back safe and sound and yummy and delicious. And enjoy the rest of your day. And is uh, February the 1st, 2026. Time flies. Is new month. So enjoy and God bless everyone. Happy Sunday to you all, and good afternoon here in the US. Time check is 5:05, and good morning in the PI Philippines, and good afternoon somewhere wherever you are in the whole world. Mabuhay tayong lahat samantala naroon ng sulok ng mundo. Enjoy life, and life is good. And God bless everyone. And see you again soon for the next vlog. Like and share and subscribe. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't like and share and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. I miss you guys. Sorry I haven't been here in the US for 3 weeks. Been like vlog for on and off because we have a death in the family. So that's the reason we come home to the Philippines. So now, thanks God we're back. It's nice to be back here in the US. So it's back to reality, back to normal again. And see you again soon, Philippines. Until next time, and welcome back to the US. So God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Take care and have a wonderful day to all of us. And God bless us all. So long, and see you again soon. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and till next time. So is a special baboy hopia and special hopia ubi. Enjoy and bon appetit. It's perfect for your coffee and tea. And enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you all, and have a wonderful time watching this, and see you again next time.